Hi, welcome to my tutorial on how to place an image into a photo template using GIMP. Today I am using PSD Photoshop templates to place images in GIMP. You can use Photoshop templates in GIMP kind of like you do in Photoshop. So let's get started. So you want to open up the template file. So you go File, Open, find your template file. Here's the PSD.template. Open. Here it's going to ask you and you want to convert to the GIMP sRGB color space. So click Convert. So then comes up your template. I like to hide these guides. So I go to View, click off of Showing Guides, just so they're not in my way. Then you go over to the Layers palette and you want to click on Layer 1 is where I'm going to get started, and click on the left-hand side of the layer. I want to open your image. File, Open. I'm going to select my image here. Open. Okay, takes a second. And then you want to again convert to the GIMP color space. Say Convert. Here's your image. So you want to go to Select, Select All, Edit, Copy. I'm going to go back to the template. I'm going to go Edit, Paste. Okay, it's going to paste its own layer here above the image box layer. And so you want to do is you want to size it before you're going to place it, before you're going to anchor it inside of that image box. So you're going to go over to the left-hand tool palette here. You're going to use the Unified Transform tool. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to click on the image, and it brings up the whole image here. You're going to want to size it smaller, move it around as needed. I'm going to use the big squares. They're on the side. Sides are the top. And you can see the little guide here that's showing you where your image box is. And hit Enter or Return, and it brings it back inside that box. And I like to go back to the Move tool here. Click back on the Move tool. And then you go over here and you want to anchor it inside of layer 1. So you go down to the bottom of the layers palette and you click on this green Anchor the Floating Layer. So now you anchored it inside, excuse me, inside of that image box. So now it's anchored inside of there. And for some reason, I don't know why, sometimes it shows, but it's really not there. This little piece of image over here is not really there. I don't know why. Sometimes with GIMP, it's a free share software. It just shows it, but once you continue and save, it goes away. So let's go to the next box. We'll do another one, layer 2. Make sure again you're clicking on the left-hand side in that layer. You want to go File, Open. Select another image. Say Open. Again, it always takes a second. Open the file. Come on. All right, here we go. And then again, you're going to convert to GIMP's color space. Say Convert. Brings up the image here. You want to select all. Edit, Copy. Go back to the template file. Go Edit, Paste. Paste the image. It shows up there, but it's pasting it here. Again, in its own layer above layer 2. Now back to the left-hand side here, click on the Unified Transform tool. Click back on that image. There we go, and it brings out the whole image. Then again, you want to use the boxes either on the side or on the bottom to make the image smaller or larger depending on the size of your image. You can just move it around here. And you can kind of see the guide again. And you hit Enter. It's the image inside. Again, go to the bottom of the tool or the layers palette and click on that green anchor. Again, then it anchors it inside of that image box. And again, I don't know why. Sometimes it shows that, so I can just make it, there we go. Make it go away and come back, turn the eyeballs on and off. Okay, turn the eyeballs on and off, there we go. And then it goes back to being normal. So this is how you place the images inside of the image boxes in GIMP using a Photoshop PSD file. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. I hope this tutorial has helped you, and thank you again for watching. Have a wonderful day.